National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Porter County in northwestern Indiana, northeastern Lake County in northwestern Indiana, until 2:30 p.m. At 1:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Ogden Dunes, or over Portage, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gary, Portage, Chesterton, Porter, Burns Harbor, Ogden Dunes, Town of Pines, Beverly Shores, and Dune Acres. Including the following interstates: Indiana Interstate 90 between mile markers 12 and 14, and near mile marker 37. Indiana Interstate 94 between mile markers 18 and 32. This includes Indiana Dunes State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA's